Okay, so here's our quiz review. So, 3 subatomic particles make up all of the atoms in the universe. And those subatomic particles are the protons, the neutrons, and the electrons. And the protons have a mass of 1 AMU and a charge of +1. The neutrons a mass of 1 AMU and a charge of 0. The electrons a mass of 0 AMU as far as a chemist is concerned, and a charge of -1. What we need to know for our quiz for sure is that the atomic number gives us the number of protons in an atom. Okay? So for the whatever atomic number we have, we draw that many little proton symbols with this plus with the little circle around it. Now the atomic mass, or the mass number, that's the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. Okay? So they have to add up to give you the atomic mass. So the protons are going to get you part of the way there, then you're going to have to add a certain number of neutrons to get all the way there. The electrons, okay, here's how they work. So with our atoms that we see on the periodic table, for every element on the periodic table, we assume electric neutrality. That means that for every proton, there is 1 electron, okay? So whatever the atomic number is, you're going to put that many electrons. Now, a couple things about how electrons are, 3 things about how electrons are organized. 1, the first shell, which represents an energy level, not a circular orbit, can have up to 2 electrons. The second shell, up to 8 electrons. And then if you have some more electrons, you pile all those into the third shell, which can have up to 8 electrons also, okay? And there are bigger atoms that are going to have more than a total of 18 electrons. We'll talk about those when we're at that point in the course. Today, what we're going to do is, we're going to go ahead and review 3 different atoms, okay? So we're going to look at some atoms that we've seen in our notes probably, but what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and try to draw these from scratch using your understanding of atomic structure. So here are the atoms, okay? The first one is hydrogen, atomic number 1, mass 1.0. The second one is helium, atomic number 2, mass 4.0. The third one is, what is this guy? We're going to go with carbon, atomic number 6, mass 12.0. And then let's just go ahead and put beryllium on the board. Atomic number 4, mass roughly 9.0. Okay, so those 4 atoms, go ahead and try to draw those on your own right now. Then we'll talk through their structures once they're on the board. Quick thing, you can get some extra credit for yourself by putting answers on the board. So if you know how to do this and you want to come up and get some extra credit, you can do that, okay? Unfortunately, B-Day won't get that opportunity, but I'll hook them up when I can. Right now, you guys can get some extra credit, all right? Good luck. May the forces be with you.